Hi guys, I'm at Ansar Mall Sharjah for their Winter Fest. Ansar Mall is huge and it comprises of 6 floors. Let's go inside and check their amazing Winter Fest offers. Come with me. Before I show you the Winter Fest here on the 4th floor at Ansar Mall Sharjah, let me tell you that Ansar Gallery in Dera and Karama also have these amazing offers, unbeatable offers and great quality of products. Let's go inside, let me show you around. I think everyone knows my obsession for blue and white pottery, blue and white dinner sets, and look what I found here. Amazing quality, beautiful design, and the price again unbeatable due to the Winter Fest right here at Ansar Mall Sharjah. Oh my god, the prices are amazing and these prices are valid at Karama and Dera Ansar Mall too. This section is huge and you will find everything that you may need for your home here. I think everybody knows my love for blue and white pottery and dinner sets, and this one here at Ansar Mall is amazing and the price, guys, is unbeatable. The quality looks very good too. The variety of dinner sets here is amazing. They have something for everyone, whether it's luxury white and gold, a bit of color with gold, or the classic black and white. Wow, this one is amazing. Not only the design, even the price and the quality. If you want to serve in style just like me, then all the style is present here in Ansar Mall Sharjah, Ansar Gallery in Karama, Ansar Gallery in Dera, and guess what? Same amazing great prices with no compromise on quality. Look at this. This would make any table look so elegant and pretty. Oh my god, I'm in love with it. I think I'm in love with everything here. Oh wow, look at that. Let's check something else out. I think this is my most favorite section. The trays are beautiful. The sizes, the variety, the shape, and even the quality. Oh, how colorful and nice this is. I think this will be great to serve mandi. And mandi is such a staple dish at my home, and I think all the homes in UAE. This will make such a nice container for that. Oh wow, look at that. I'm in love with this one. This is something that caught my eye immediately because of the color and textures. Guys, A&H is a brand exclusive to Ansar Mall and Ansar Gallery in Dera and Karama only. And the variety, sizes, quality is amazing. Not only they have some wonderful textured paintings, they also have some amazing prints which are modern and will also go with classic homes. This is so unique. I bet it's gonna make a great piece to a themed home. I think it's upside down, but it still looks very, very pretty. This is a London Bridge frame by A&H, and I really like the diamond texture that's going on here. So pretty. In the same kind, they have a huge variety. This one is nice as well. I think the trees and the colors, so beautiful. There's such a wonderful collection of all sorts of fountains here. This one is so cute, and along with the big fountains, they also have smaller fountains for your tabletops. The collection here is amazing, the quality perfect, the price is unbeatable. Wow, I love it. And I think these planters are such amazing statement pieces and will look nice in any garden and even indoors. And they have the collection in gold and silver. This is so beautiful. The entire 4th floor has special offers including toys, and if you look at the toys, they are so many. The variety, oh my god, there's something for little girls, little boys, and oh, this is so cute. Oh, look at that, so nice. I love them. Oh, this is nice as well. I think I'm gonna take these 3 home. Zian is going to be very happy. Scooties, bikes, and so many nice, gorgeous cars. The Winter Fest is only till 29th November, guys. You have to come here and check their amazing collection out. And I promise you, you will thank me because the quality is too good and the prices are amazing. Beautiful wooden beds, cribs. They're so stylish, and they have them in different types like round ones, rectangular ones, and along with that, gorgeous playhouses come have a look at this one. This is my favorite. I think this will make any kid happy. The ANH products are exclusive to Ansar Mall Sharjah, Ansar Gallery Dera and Ansar Gallery Karama. If you see, this is a beautiful luxury product which is a white duvet. Along with luxury products, they have so many other things, so much more variety. I like this fleece blanket too, and I think this is going to be very handy in winter. Another product that caught my eye is the luxury bed cover set. So nice. Let's see some more in this section because they do have a wide variety of comforters in all sizes and colors. Blankets, bed sheets, so many deals going on, bed covers. Oh, and they have covers for sofas and chairs as well. I'm fascinated by this section, so nice. The towels, amazing, such nice pastel colors, and this is gorgeous. What's that? ANH have a wide variety of comforter sets in all colors and sizes. They have some dark colors like brown and maroon, some very nice light colors like this one, beige, so my type. I like the white at the top as well, and let me show you a printed one which caught my attention. This is the one. The ANH collection of sanitary wear at Ansar Mall Sharjah is also part of the Winter Fest. And if I look at these faucets, the matte black, the silver, the bronze, gold, brass, just amazing, including these gorgeous shower heads. I love these mirrors, also so beautiful. The section is huge, guys. This is such a nice towel holder. Very nice set. Again, they have it in various different colors and sizes and shapes. I would love to have this in my sink and wash dishes with this. So nice. Oh, this one is so cool as well. So whatever is the theme of your kitchen or washroom, you can come here and get nice faucets. Come, I'll show you something amazing on this side. Oh my God, these shower panels are amazing. Imagine having one of this at home because water comes out from here as well, and it's like having a massage while you're showering. Wow, how nice is that? Barbecue season is here, and ANH have you covered with all their barbecue stuff. The amazing variety of barbecues, and they have them in all shapes and sizes, bigger ones, smaller ones, kettle for outdoors, round barbecue if you prefer a round one. This is nice as well. Cool. So they have everything, whether you're looking for gas burners, smaller burners, a colorful barbecue, fire pits, coal, instant barbecue, cooler boxes, small ones, round ones, water dispensers, or whether you're looking for seating. All sorts of chairs in various shapes and sizes and types, and some with shades right there. Look at that, that's cute. One with shade. I think I need a cup of tea now. This beautiful Expo 2020 collection is available exclusively at Ansar Mall Sharjah and at Expo 2020 only. How cute are these? Don't forget to download the Ansar Smile app, which is available on Google Play and App Store, and you get 200 points instantly when you download it, and the points can be redeemed at Ansar Mall Sharjah, Ansar Gallery Dera and Ansar Gallery Karama. I'm at level 2 at Ansar Mall Sharjah checking their winter fest out, and this level compromises of ladies garments, kids garments, abayas and accessories. Let's go inside and check out their great offers. This is so beautiful. I cannot decide between the two, so I'm gonna walk with both till I make up my mind. I think the winter collection here at Ansar Mall is just amazing. The quality is so good and the prices, Wow, just wow. Winterfest is happening at Ansar Mall Sharjah, at Ansar Gallery Karama and Ansar Gallery Dera. Look at this gorgeous fluff. How pretty is this? Guys, their prices are amazing. Once you visit, you will realize how good the offers are. And this one is so nice for a little boy. How cute. I think the shawls here are amazing as well. There are so many different colors and designs and the prices are great. This is the new collection of abayas here and I really like this one. I think the color combination is great. So let's see how it looks on me. These bags are so elegant. I love the texture, the color combination and the metal detailing. They would look nice with abayas or any sort of outfits. This is so pretty. I also like this one. Again, the detailing on the bag is absolutely gorgeous. I'm at the new arrival of bags at Ansar Mall and these are so cute. I love this white one and I think this is such a classic design. Let's go and check the offers out at the supermarket. I'm at the roastery section at Ansar Mall and they have so many offers as part of Winterfest. This area again is huge and I think shopping here is going to be so much fun. Their roastery section has such a massive variety of nuts, chocolates, spices. I'm going to try this. If you're looking for fresh fruits or vegetables at amazing prices, then they have it all here and the quality is just amazing. Their butchery section is very popular too with all sorts of meat, beef, mutton and chicken from various different countries and along with that they have a good variety of marinated meats as well which are ready to cook. They have all sorts of seafood here at Ansar Mall and that too at great prices as part of their Winterfest. I like this one and I think this beauty is going on my griller today.